Welcome to hashincludeelectronics. In this video, we are going to make automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. The idea behind this project is to detect the presence of hand using IR sensor and turn on DC pump to dispense the sanitizer. So let's get started and make it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe button below and press bell icon to get latest updates. For making automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, we will need following electronics components: 5V relay, IR sensor, red and green LEDs with 220 ohm resistors, 5V DC motor pump, 5V AC DC adapter to supply regulated power, switch, and few jumper wires. We will also need plastic container for sanitizer, tube, foam board for making the dispenser body. You can also use any plastic body, and glue gun. Let's create two openings in container cover, one for the tube and another for the funnel to refill the sanitizer. Attach the tube to DC pump and place it inside the container. Take out the tube and the wire from one opening. Now let's make the body for the dispenser. We will be using foam board for making it. Now join the parts using glue gun. Mount IR sensor in the middle of this plate. Mount 5V relay. Now attach this assembly to dispenser body. Solder 220 ohm resistors to positive end of red and green LED separately. Also solder wires to LEDs. Fix LEDs onto front plate and attach this using glue gun. Red LED is used for power indicator. Green LED is used to indicate that the sanitizer is being dispensed when you place your hand in front of the sensor. Solder wires to switch and attach switch to the body. Also solder few wires for connecting ground of power source to all electronics components. Connect adapter socket for power supply. Now let's make connections as per circuit diagram. Connect relay to IR sensor. Connect ground to all components. Provide 5V to all components. Attach red LED to 5V and ground. Connect green LED to relay output and ground. Connect DC pump to relay output pin and ground. Fill the container with sanitizer. Now fix the other end of the tube to dispense the sanitizer using glue gun. Let's see how it works now. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.